As a growing entrepreneur and small business owner, you know that SOPs are critical if you want to expand your team and continue to maximize your income and impact. But creating SOPs can kind of be a pain in the butt because they take a long time. Even as a system strategist myself, they're one of my least favorite tasks. So I created a way to automate it, and I'm about to show you how.
Okay, so earlier this morning while I was performing a task that I would ideally like to delegate to my VA, I created a Loom video talking through each step as I was completing the task. So now all I have to do is download the video, and I am going to put it into this SOP videos folder. And this scenario is off right now, but once I have it perfected, I will have it turned on so that when I automatically save those videos to that particular Google Drive, you can see it happening here. When a new file is uploaded, it will download the video file and upload it to Assembly AI, which will then transcribe the audio file into a written transcript and then send it to ChatGPT, which will use the prompt that I gave it to write the SOP. And now it's creating a Google document. And then it is adding that Google document to my SOP organization database in Notion. So let's go check out and see what it did. So if I go to my workflows and SOP database, you can see that now I have a new SOP logged that is ready for review. So when this is set up and running behind the scenes, all I essentially would have to do is record the video, save it to that Google Drive folder. It uploads here. And then when I'm ready to review it, here's the link. And you can see that it has created me a step-by-step process of doing the task. And all I need to do is now go through it and make sure that everything is correct and there's no additional notes that I may have missed on the video or misspoke on the video that I need to refine. And then once that's ready to go, it'll be ready to review and I'm easily able to delegate that to my assistant. So I just think robots are so cool.
If having an automation like that would completely change how you run and grow your business, then definitely get out my calendar and schedule a systems power hour call so we can get you set up and ready to go. And let me know in the comments what you want to automate next.